Greetings, class. I wanted to take just a little bit of your time to provide you with an overview of Module 1. So, the readings for Module 1 include chapters 1 through 3 in your Wagner textbook. And Chapter 1 starts off the course by providing an introduction and an overview of the healthcare system in the United States. This chapter introduces the goal of healthcare in the United States, which is to provide quality care for all of our populations. The chapter discusses the triple aim approach, which I am sure that many of you are familiar with. This approach was developed by the Institute for Healthcare Improvement to achieve the goal of examining healthcare costs, quality, and patient experience. On page 6 of your textbook, I would encourage you to take a look at Exhibit 1.3 that highlights the unique characteristics of the United States healthcare system. When we look at Chapter 2, Chapter 2 moves on to the history and the development of the United States healthcare system and highlights key events and provides a timeline of those events on pages 37 to 41. Chapter 2 also notes important figures and their role in the history of the United States healthcare system, such as Johns Hopkins University, Mayo Clinic, and the American Medical Association. We also begin with Chapter 2 to look at healthcare costs as we learn about the early forms of health insurance. It may surprise some of you to learn how long insurance providers have indeed been around. Chapter 2 also discusses healthcare reform throughout the years, including the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare. When we look at Chapter 3 will ask you to begin to analyze your beliefs and attitudes about health and healthcare. I would like for you to really think about the questions that are posed across Chapter 3 and what your answers might be to questions such as what is health, what determines health, and what are your healthcare expectations. Module 1 also includes helpful links and resources to information discussed within the readings, as well as your first assignment. Your first assignment is completion of your political astuteness self-analysis, and there was a video containing an overview of this assignment within the Brightspace course. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you so much.